Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical and electronics for secondary mechanical. In this video, we will see about different starters to be used for three-phase induction motor. The point is that auto transformer starter and star delta starter. After that, we will discuss about methods of speed control and industrial applications of three-phase induction motor. So, this is the first point, that is called as a auto transformer starter. Here you can see this is a three-phase induction motor which is supplied with the help of three-phase supply, and we have to use the three-phase auto transformer starter. So this is the primary end, this is the secondary end. The connections in such a way that for each phase we have to use a single auto transformer as a starter. So this is the run condition and this is the start condition, and this is my handle. At initial stage, the handle is thrown on the start condition, and after some point, the handle is thrown on the run position. So this is the very simple diagram of the auto transformer starter. Auto transformer starter is suitable for both star and delta connected motors. So this is the advantages. In this method, the starting current is limited by using a starter and auto transformer starter to reduce the initial stator applied voltage. The figure above shows the motor with the auto transformer starter. It is provided with a number of tappings. The starter is connected to one particular tapping to obtain the most suitable starting voltage. A double throw switch S is used to disconnect or to connect the auto transformer starter in the circuit for starting. When the handle H of the switch S in the start position, the primary of the auto transformer is connected to the supply line and the motor is connected to the secondary of the auto transformer. When the motor picks up the speed of about 90% of its rated value, the handle H is quickly moved to the run position. Thus, the auto transformer is disconnected from the circuit and the motor is directly connected to the line and achieving its full rated voltage. The handle is held in the run position by under voltage relay. If the supply voltage fails or below certain value, the handle is released and returns to the off position. Thermal overload relays provide the overload protection. So this is all about the auto transformer starter. Now what are the disadvantages and disadvantages of auto transformer starter? For transformation ratio 2, the size of auto transformer would be approximately 50% of the corresponding size of the two winding transformer. For transformation ratio say 20, however, the size would be 95%. So this is the advantages. An auto transformer has higher efficiency than two winding transformer. This is because of less ohmic loss and core loss due to reduction of transformer material. Auto transformer has better voltage regulation as voltage drop in resistance and reactance of the single winding is less. So these are the advantages. Now the disadvantage is the leakage flux between the primary and the secondary winding is small and hence the impedance is low. This results into severe short circuit current and under fault conditions. Because of common neutral in star connected auto transformer, it is not possible to earth neutral of one side only. Both their sides should have their neutrality either earth or isolated. And third disadvantage is it is more difficult to maintain the electromagnetic balance of the winding when voltage adjustment tapping are provided. It should be known that the provision of the tapping on an auto transformer increases considerably the frame size of the transformer. So these are the disadvantages. Now the application. Compensating voltage drops by boosting the supply voltage in distribution system is the main application. Auto transformer with the number of tappings are used for starting, induction and synchronous motors, and auto transformer is used as a variac in laboratory or where continuous variable overload ranges are required.